Welcome to my channel MotoVision Hub. Today we are diving into the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS, a motorcycle that effortlessly blends the charm of classic retro styling with modern performance and technology. Kawasaki has designed this bike to appeal to riders who want the nostalgia of a vintage motorcycle combined with the precision, power, and features of a modern machine. Right from the first glance, the metallic glossy red finish captures attention, reflecting the showroom lighting and highlighting the muscular contours, flowing lines, and sleek aerodynamic details. The round LED headlamp and chrome-accented handlebars give it that unmistakable retro-modern aesthetic while maintaining a racing-inspired stance. The sculpted fuel tank flows beautifully into the slim tail section, creating a balanced and athletic silhouette. From the front view, the bike exudes confidence and aggression, while the side profile emphasizes its perfect proportions and detailed engineering. The Kawasaki emblem on the fuel tank and the Z900RS branding near the number plate proudly display its heritage and identity. The engine of the Z900RS is an inline-4 powerhouse designed for smooth, responsive, and exhilarating performance. The throttle is precise, providing an engaging yet controllable ride that suits city streets, highways, and winding backroads alike. Power delivery is linear and consistent, offering torque at low speeds for comfortable commuting and a lively punch at higher revs for spirited rides. The 6-speed gearbox allows seamless shifting, enhancing control and confidence. Unlike some high-performance motorcycles that can feel intimidating, the Z900RS balances power with accessibility, making it suitable for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. Its engine not only delivers performance but also a refined character that complements the bike's retro-modern style. Handling on the Z900RS is exceptional due to the lightweight chassis, perfectly tuned suspension, and balanced geometry. The bike feels agile yet stable, making it easy to navigate tight corners and maintain composure at higher speeds. The suspension absorbs bumps and irregularities on the road without compromising feedback, while the wide alloy wheels and performance tires provide excellent grip and confidence. The braking system is equally impressive, offering controlled and reliable stopping power that ensures safety in urban traffic or spirited rides. The combination of precise handling, stability, and responsive braking makes the Z900RS a joy to ride in all conditions. Comfort is another strong point of the Z900RS. The ergonomics are thoughtfully designed to offer a natural and relaxed riding position. The seat is padded for long-distance comfort, the handlebars are positioned for both control and ease, and the foot pegs support a stance that reduces fatigue over longer journeys. Whether you're commuting daily, exploring city streets, or embarking on weekend adventures, this motorcycle ensures that riding remains an enjoyable and immersive experience. It's a bike that combines sportiness with practical usability, which is a rare balance in the modern motorcycle market. Technology enhances the riding experience while preserving the retro charm of the Z900RS. The digital analog instrument cluster provides all the essential information in a clear and stylish format, including speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and more. LED lighting contributes not only to modern aesthetics but also to safety and visibility. Kawasaki has meticulously designed every detail, from cable routing to switchgear quality, ensuring that the motorcycle feels premium and purposeful. These elements create a seamless fusion of vintage looks and contemporary features, making the Z900RS a unique offering in the sport retro segment. The emotional appeal of the Z900RS cannot be overstated. This is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of style, freedom, and performance. For new riders, it offers an approachable and exciting introduction to the world of high-performance motorcycles, while experienced riders will appreciate its nimbleness, precision, and responsive handling. The bike inspires confidence and enjoyment, whether you're navigating crowded streets or taking it on open roads. Its versatility is unmatched, allowing it to serve as a daily commuter, a weekend fun machine, or a stylish showpiece for enthusiasts. Every detail of the Z900RS speaks to Kawasaki's commitment to quality, design, and performance. From the bold lines of the fairings to the precision of the engine components, the bike embodies a sense of craftsmanship and engineering excellence. The metallic red paint enhances the visual impact, making the bike stand out from every angle. Whether viewed from the front, side, or rear, every perspective showcases a harmonious blend of retro inspiration and modern execution. The LED lighting, alloy wheels, suspension components, and exhaust system all work together to create a visually striking and technically advanced machine. In conclusion, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS is a motorcycle that succeeds in combining the best of two worlds, timeless retro aesthetics and contemporary performance technology. With a high-gloss red finish, exceptional handling, smooth yet powerful engine, thoughtful ergonomics, and advanced features, it delivers a riding experience that is both emotionally satisfying and practically enjoyable. It proves that motorcycles don't need to sacrifice style for performance or vice versa. Every ride on the Z900RS is a reminder of the joy, freedom, and excitement that comes with riding a motorcycle. Thank you for watching MotoVision Hub, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more premium motorcycle reviews, first looks, and updates on the latest bike launches. The Kawasaki Z900RS is a machine that embodies heritage, performance, and style all in one, offering an unforgettable experience to riders of all levels.